Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 18, area of trapezium and polygon. In this chapter we will study about the area of trapezium and area of polygon. So previous also we study about this chapter. Now here in question number 1 we have given find the area of trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter and distance between them is 15 centimeter. So the formula of area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel side into height. So applying its value, so we have parallel side 24 and 20, so half into 24 into 20 into 15, so it will be 330. Similarly, second question is also find the area of trapezium whose parallel sides are 38.7 and 22.3 and distance between them is 16. So here also by applying same formula, that is half into sum of parallel sides into height, so it will be half into 338.7 plus 22.3 into 16. So answer will be 488 centimeter square. Now question number 3. In question number 3 we have given the shape of the top of surface of a table is trapezium. Its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.4 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.9 meter. Find its area. Here also we will apply same formula, that is half into sum of parallel side into height, then half into 1 plus 1.4 into 0.9. Answer will be 1.08. So here we can apply same formula. Now after this, see question number 4. In question number 4 we have area of trapezium is 1080 centimeter square if the length of its parallel side be 55 centimeter and 35 centimeter, then find distance between them. Here also we will apply same formula, but here we can take height as x and area we have given 1080. So by using formula half into sum of parallel side into height, so area we have 1080, it will be equals to half into 55 plus 35 into x. So when we find value of x, it will be 1080 upon 45. So answer will be equals to 24. So height will be equals to 24 centimeter. So in the same way we can do remaining questions also. So question number 5 and 6 also same, so you can try this question. Now after this, see exercise 18b. So in 18b exercise we will find the area of polygon. In polygon we will have different figures. So in question number 1 we can see in the given figure ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AC equals to 24 centimeter, BL perpendicular to AC and DM perpendicular to AC, such that BL equals to 8 centimeter and DM equals to 7 centimeter. Find area of quadrilateral ABCD. So in this you can see the figure in your books. So in your books diagram is given. So here we can apply. So in question number 1, so see here the given details are BL perpendicular to AC and DM perpendicular to AC. So figure is something like this. So this is a type of figure you can see here. In this we have, this side is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So this kind of figure we have given, and here two lines are parallel which are M and N. So this is M and this is L. So in this kind of figure you can see in your book. So here we will apply, it is divided into two triangles. So that is area of ABCD. We can say that area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So area of triangle is half into base into height. Therefore area of quadrilateral will be half into AC into BL plus half into AC into DM. So we have given AC and BL, so half into 24 into 8 plus half into 24 into 7. By solving it will be 96 plus 84. So answer will be 180 centimeter square. Similarly in question number 2 also we have given a figure In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral shaped field in which diagonals BD is 36 meter, AL perpendicular to BD and CM perpendicular to BD, such that all AL equals to 19 meter and CM equals to 11 meter. Find area of the field. So here also we have to find area of field. So in this we can divide this figure into two triangle. So in solution, the given details are AL perpendicular to BD and CM perpendicular to BD. Now AL equals to 19 meter, CM equals to 11 meter, BD equals to 36 meter. So using formula, area of quadrilateral ABCD will be equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle ACD. So area of triangle will be equals to half into base into height. So area of quadrilateral ABCD will be equals to half into BD into AL plus half into BD into CM. Now putting value, so half into 36 into 19 plus half into 36 into 11. So it will be 342 plus 198, 540 meter square will be answer. Now after this, see question number 3. In question number 3 we have find the area of pentagon ABCDE in which BL perpendicular to AC, DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AC, such that AC equals to 18 centimeter, AM equals to 14 centimeter, AN 6 centimeter, BL 4 centimeter and DM equals to 12 centimeter, EN equals to 9 centimeter. So in this question also all the details we have given. So in this we will use formula, area of pentagon ABCD will be equal to area of triangle AEN plus area of triangle DMC plus area of triangle ABC plus area of trapezium DMNE. Now by applying, as we know, area of triangle equals to half into base into height. So area of trapezium equals to half into sum of parallel side into height. Now by putting value, so area of AEN will be equals to half into AN into EN. By putting value, it will be half into 6 into 9, it will be 27 centimeter square. Then area of triangle DMC equals to MC into DM equals to half into 4 into 12, that is 24 centimeter. Area of triangle ABC equals to half into AC into BL, that is equals to half into 18 into 4, that is 36 centimeter. And area of trapezium DMNE, it will be half into sum of parallel side DM plus EN plus into MN, then half into 12 plus 9 into 8. So it will be 84 centimeter square. Now for finding area of pentagon ABCDE, we will add all these, area of AEN, area of DMC, area of ABC and area of DMNE. So by adding 27 plus 24 plus 36 plus 84, it will be 171 centimeter square. It will be answer. Now in question number 4 we have find the area of hexagon ABCDEF in which BL perpendicular to AD, CM perpendicular to AD, EN perpendicular to AD and FP perpendicular to AD, such that AP equals to 6 centimeter, PL equals to 2 centimeter, LN equals to 8 centimeter, NM equals to 2 centimeter, MD equals to 3 centimeter, FP equals to 8 centimeter, EN equals to 12 centimeter, BL equals to 8 centimeter and CM equals to 6 centimeter. You can see the figure in the book. Now so area of hexagon ABCDEF will be equals to area of triangle APF plus area of triangle DEN plus area of triangle ABL plus area of triangle CMD plus area of trapezium PNEF plus area of trapezium LMCB. Now area of triangle is half into base into height, area of trapezium half into sum of parallel side into height. Now by calculating area of triangle APF, half into AP into FP equals to half into 6 into 8, that is 24 centimeter square. Then area of triangle DEN, half into ND into EN, that is half into 5 into 12 equals to 30 centimeter square. Now area of triangle ABL equals to half into AL into BL, that is half into 8 into 8, 32 centimeter square. Now area of CMD equals to half into MD into CM equals to half into 3 into 6, that is 9 centimeter square. Area of trapezium DMNE equals to half into FP plus EN into PN, that is half into 18 plus 12 into 10, it will be 100 centimeter square. Now area of trapezium DMNE equals to half into BL plus CM into LM equals to half into 8 plus 6 into 10, it will be 70 centimeter square. Now area of hexagon ABCDEF, now we will add all these, that is area of APF, area of DEN, area of ABL, area of CMD, area of trapezium PNEF, and area of trapezium LMCB. Now adding all these, so it will be 24 plus 30 plus 32 plus 9 plus 100 plus 70, it will be 265 centimeter square. So remaining question of this exercise you can try yourself as homework. So it was all about this chapter, so it's your homework, you have to complete this chapter. And all of you, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.